Hello, welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to talk about Frigidaire model number A1649230 and in this one, we will talk about how to replace water filter and air filter. So before you start taking out the water filter, please make sure you shut off the water from the back of the fridge and drain all the water from the front water dispenser. So to take out the water filter, you will need to slide the cover in the front and then to the down, and then you will see the water filters. To take it out, you will just need to turn it anti-clockwise and it will come out. So filter in this model is used as Frigidaire Pure Source Ultra 2, and this is the model number, so EPTWFU01, and it's recommended to be replaced every 6 months. So you can visit Frigidaire website and order the replacement, or you can also look at your local hardware stores. And then to install the new water filter, you will need to take it out of the package, remove all the seeds and plastic from it, and then you can go like this, and you will see that when you put in the filter, it will kind of slide in. So just push it and close it. And then you can hook it on the top and you can close the cover. Then on the side of your left panel, there is a water filter sign. So if you read closely, it says hold to reset. So you will need to press it for 3 seconds and then it will reset your filter. Then for your air filter, you will see this blank cover plate. If your fridge is new or if you're already using it, it will say Pure Air Ultra 2 air filter, and then the new filter will be in the pack like this. So you just need to open it. Then turn it like this, and then you will need to install your filter here. So it's good to go, and then now we will install the air filter. So now air filter goes at the back of your fridge there. So I will zoom in, and then now we'll install the water filter. The air filter. So then you simply go like this, and then you just install it. So once the plate is clicked, that means it's good to go and it's installed. Then in the same way as you reset your water filter, there is an air filter sign here, and then you have to hold it to reset the air filter sign as well. Thanks for watching the video. If this video helped you to change your water filter and your air filter for the fridge, please like the video and consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.